My name is Nate Kessler. I'm the COO of Xtreme Clean Auto Wash. We are a Michigan-based company. We have one location in Traverse City, Michigan, and we expanded in 2013 in Kalamazoo, Michigan. We expanded another 5 locations, and we're looking to expand in the next year or 2. We have dual in-bay automatics. We went with the choice wash because we wanted to provide our customers with more options. We wanted to cover the whole market sector, people who wanted touchless and soft touch. And we're actually coming out with a signature wash that uses both features. And we've seen significant growth year over year after implementing the choice wash. So we picked Mark VII because they're a one-stop shop for everything. We do chemicals, service, equipment. Every time I have a question or concern, I call Mark VII and they always provide an answer. We continue to build our relationship with Mark VII service, and they are always willing to help us out when we have a question or concern, and they're very responsive to all of our needs. At Xtreme Clean, we found that Mark VII is working with us to build out remote access to all of our equipment. We're able to staff accordingly, and we're able to remotely access our terminals. We're able to remotely access our machines and see when there's an error. We have to send a tech out less often because we can do things remotely. We're able to upgrade machines with new software. We don't have to replace existing equipment. We're able to add features and do retrofit kits to keep them up with the newest and best standards. Whenever I have a question or concern, Mark VII always provides an answer. They're willing to work with us, and they feel more like a partner than a vendor. Our relationship with Mark VII continues to grow, and it gets better with time, and we're looking forward to growing as a business and having Mark VII right alongside of us.